Welcome to English American Literature 2, Unit 4, Part 3. In this part, we will deal with a brief history of drama. Let's start with medieval drama. In medieval times, plays were mostly religious under the influence of the church, and these plays are called liturgical drama. There are three types of liturgical plays. First one of them is mystery plays. Mystery plays are the plays that take their stories from the Bible. Next one is miracle plays. Miracle plays take their stories from the lives of the Christian saints. And the last one is morality plays. Morality plays are allegorical plays that talk about the everyday life of the Christians. The next period is the Renaissance period, Elizabethan and Jacobean drama. In Jacobean drama and Elizabethan drama, patronage system was very important. In the patronage system, all the theater companies had to be supported by a wealthy person in order to be able to perform. Drama in this period appealed to all people from the upper classes to the lower classes. Most of the plays were written in verse in this period, and the characterization was very realistic. By the end of this period, theaters were closed by the Puritans because they were considered to be the places of immorality. When we come to the Restoration period, the theaters were reopened. However, the theaters were moved into indoor theaters. But because the tickets were very expensive in the indoor theaters due to the limited number of seats, it was basically for the upper classes. During this period, two types of genres were popularized. One of them was heroic drama and the other one is melodrama. The next period is the Victorian age. We cannot say that drama was very popular during the Victorian age. As a result of the rise of the middle class, novel as a genre emerged as a significant genre. That's why not many dramas were performed or written. However, we have two very important names during this period, Oscar Wilde and Bernard Shaw. Oscar Wilde is perhaps the person who initiated the rise of the aesthetic movement in England. Aesthetic movement can be summarized as art for art's sake. And when we come to the 20th century, we can see so many literary movements that gave shape to the drama as well. First one of them is realism. It depicts life as it is. The next one is naturalism. Naturalism can be considered as the harsher version of realism. It usually highlights the evils of society and the bad sides of life. Political drama emerged especially after the two world wars as a result of the increase in the number of workers. They usually depicted the life of workers and moved the characters from the upper and middle classes to the working class life. And finally, we have the theater of the absurd that is based on the existentialist idea.